Hello friends. So today we'll go through the installation of Nest thermostat, Google Nest thermostat. I already had one in home before. I installed it a few months ago and I was very impressed with its operation, how you can control it remotely with the app, and it's so easy to use. So I thought that let me change my second thermostat as well. This time I thought that I would share the total installation with all my friends here on YouTube or wherever you watch this video. So I got this Nest thermostat, as you can see, brand new. Let me open the packing. As you might know that they come in different colors based on your house's setting. I get stainless steel because that's what I like. Let's see what's inside the pack. I know there is a Nest app that you can always watch. There is this little thing as well that you have to peel off. This is a safety lock, I think, from Nest. My goodness, this is a beautiful product. So I'll take this out. Few things in here. It comes with everything that you need in the box. This Nest thermostat. This is user manual, and the most important thing is its base and the screwdriver. So what I will show you is how to use all of this. And see, this is the key. You have to check online how your wires will match with your existing thermostat or existing power. I was going through the video on YouTube for Nest thermostat installation, the original YouTube video. This is more to show you the practical way. You can always watch that. They said that if your thermostat is on 120 volt or 240 volt power, don't install Nest thermostat. It's not suitable for that. It's only for control wires. Something like this that you can see right here. I have 4 wires. One is green, one is red, one is blue, and the other one is white. So what I will do, I'll take out these 4 wires. Don't forget to number them. This is my thermostat. Certainly all thermostats, all homes can have their own different layout of wires. So I'll take a pause. I'll take out this thermostat. We'll take out these 4 wires out. Make sure that you have turned off the power. I turned off the power. As you can see, it's pretty much not at all on. You have to be safe. This is a real electric work. As I said about my carbon monoxide or smoke alarm, that if you are not feeling comfortable, if you're not comfortable in while working with this electrical thing in your house, please don't. Call an electrician, certified electrician. He will charge a little bit of money, but it will give you a lot of peace of mind. So don't try to do it yourself if you have not done this work before. But certainly it's not difficult to install. If you want to try it out, you can, but you have to be very, very careful. This is full electric work and cause more damage than what it could be worth it. So I'll take out this old thermostat and then we'll continue installing the new Nest thermostat. I took out this old thermostat that you saw it earlier. I know there are some holes, but this plate given by Google is pretty big enough to cover everything. That's how I drilled the hole. You see that it's kind of pretty clean. I'll hold this plate. These 4 wires of my old thermostat are in. For you all, I put 2 of these wires, you can see red and white already, because that's what my setting is. I'll put this green guy in the green. Make sure you press this button before you insert the wire, and the design is such that once the wire is inserted inside, there is no need to kind of press or do anything. And then I have this blue last wire. I'll straighten it with a nose plier. Straight wire goes much more easily, as you can see, and here it fits in. So this base is all set. As you can see, green wire. Don't go with the colors here because you see that blue for Y1. In short, these two wires, or the blue wire is for controlling the air conditioner usually when you see them, and the red is for heat, but I'm not making this as a general statement. This works for my settings. You have to check your own settings. There is a lot more information available on Google's website. So this is all done. Now what I have to do is the main thing, this guy, the shiny little guy. I'll peel off this new thing and I'll insert this. There is a light that you can see is blinking, which means that it is working. Now what I will have to do is turn the power back on and hope everything works well after that. So let's continue. You notice that I'm on a certain screen right now. There was my personal information, like entering my Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi name, my zip code, and where I'm setting this thermostat up. That is very easy. You can do that very easily. Just keep following the instructions. You have to keep pressing this bottom side of it. Just keep pressing it, and once it has detected everything like your Wi-Fi, your location, and after that it will also show you the wires connected. And you can notice that, you know, the wires I was talking to you, this is clearly showing power, heat, cool, and fan. 4 wires it already detected. I'm thinking that's the right setting I have done, so I'll hit continue. And then it says your system is heating, cooling, and fan, which is what I have. What is the fuel source for your heating? Mine is electric. What type of heating do you have? Forced air. We have ducts. Nest is now configured for your system. You should get this message, and then you click on continue, and you can say test now, test later. Right now it is winter for us here in the Northeast. It's month of December, by the way. So I will say test now. No point of testing it later. We have to turn on the heat, so I would want to test it. And let me click on it. And what do you want to test? I want to test heating because it is winter. Testing heat, and it says done. And it says heat has been turned off. It may take a few minutes for the fan to stop. So my test was successful. I checked my air vents, a few of them, and it worked. So I will say done. The heat has been turned off. It may take a few minutes to have the fan stop. So that's fine. Done. So I'm done. It's saying test cooling. So it gives you this message, currently 39 degrees outside. To protect your system, it says that don't do the testing for cooling at this time. I remember that I had it for my last thermostat as well. We'll wait for summer to or spring to arrive, and then we'll test the AC. Testing fan. The fan should be on, so I'll take a pause and then check whether the fan is on or not. Checked, and I'll say done. The fan has been turned off. I'll say done, and we say done. Rotate it and say done. So I'll now connect it to Nest app. That's the final step. Would you like to control the thermostat? Yes.